Hello, welcome to learn how to install mcone manual cell counter in Mac and how to launch the program. First, let's go to our website mcone.com and to downloads part. And here is the DMG installer file for Mac. But if you don't have the Java runtime environment in your system, you can download that kind of file where the Java runtime environment is included. It's quite big file, so mostly you should download this Apple icon file here. And let's download it. Let's go to folder, the Finder, and here is the file. We can double click it. And now there is that kind of installer. And now we just have to drag this mcone icon to applications. And if we are not logged in with administration rights, we have to give some admin username and passwords. And then the program is installed to applications. Let's check applications, and here now there is mcone, and this mcone program is now downloaded from web, and mostly Mac doesn't like that kind of programs that are downloaded from web, and sometimes it asks, should we open this although it's from web, and sometimes there is no any way to open it. One way is to press Ctrl button down and mouse and click open. So now it opened, and sometimes it may ask some administration rights that you have to give, or it just asks, should we open this file. But now our program is launched here.